sent me this PR box for Christmas, but I literally wasn't here to celebrate Christmas. Hi, that's me. But I think the reality of like why I'm still wanting to show is like every gift is under $25 and like all year long you need gifts. So that's why we're doing this. First box, Patchology Hydrating Eye and Lip Gel Kit. Next box, Conair Loose Waves Roll Set and Sleep. I don't know if this will work with my extensions. Can you see? Like it's a lot. This one was a reverse coloring book. I've already been using that one and I posted that too. This one was a Simply Modern they sent me. I use that cup all the time. And this last one, is it called a On? It's this Google TV streaming box. I'd actually love to put a TV up like right there behind me, and this would probably be great for that. Thank you so much, Walmart. And like, let's be real, you always need viral gifts under $25.